Hi everyone! Welcome back to Foodie Flicks. Today, we're making a very healthy and nutritious dish, roasted asparagus. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take some fresh asparagus and cut off the bottom part. This part can be tough and woody. Next, I'll rinse the asparagus thoroughly with water and dry it with kitchen towel. Now, I'll place the asparagus on a baking tray. I have a lemon here, which I'll finely slice. Then, I'll sprinkle some salt and black pepper over the asparagus. A quick spray of oil to coat them evenly, and we're almost ready. I'll arrange the lemon slices nicely on top of the asparagus and add a tablespoon of lemon juice for extra flavor. To finish it off before baking, I'll top the asparagus with some Parmesan cheese. This will give it a lovely, savory crust. Now, into the oven it goes. I'll bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Now that the asparagus is roasted to perfection, it's time to serve. I'll transfer the asparagus onto a plate. For a refreshing side, I'll add some cucumber slices, a little bit of mayonnaise for dipping, a sprinkle of black pepper on top, and a final touch of grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, delicious and healthy roasted asparagus. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Foodie Flicks.